In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up adult Patreon. If your Patreon page includes mature or age-restricted material, it's important to label your page correctly so it's filtered appropriately and only visible to eligible audiences. I'll walk you through where this setting lives and how to turn it on, step by step, using the creator tools built into Patreon. First, head over to patreon.com and log into your account. Make sure you're viewing your creator dashboard rather than the patron view. If you don't see creator tools, look for the option to switch to your creator page so you're editing the right place. Once you're on your creator page, find the area near the Edit Page button. Right beside it, there's an icon with 3 horizontal dots. Click that to open the Additional Options menu. This menu gives you access to deeper settings that aren't immediately on the main page. From that menu, choose Page Details. This section is where you manage the core information for your page, including descriptions, branding, and important settings that affect how your page is presented to the public. Inside Page Details, locate and open Page Settings. This is the area where Patreon groups together policies and compliance-related options for your page. Now scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the Adult Content section. Here's where you'll mark your page as containing adult or age-restricted material. Check the box to enable it. This label applies to your entire page, not just individual posts, and helps ensure your content is properly filtered in search and hidden from users who are underage or have content filters enabled. It's an important part of staying compliant with Patreon's guidelines and reducing the risk of accidental exposure to restricted content. After checking the box, click Save Changes. Depending on your layout, Save may appear at the bottom of the page. If you made other edits, this will save those as well, so take a quick glance to confirm everything looks good. Patreon may prompt you with a confirmation dialog. When you see it, click Yes. Save my changes. Give it a moment to process. You should see a confirmation banner or a brief success message indicating that your settings have been updated. That's it. Your page is now labeled correctly for adult content. If the change doesn't appear right away, refresh your page or revisit the settings to confirm the box remains checked. Remember, keeping this label accurate helps protect your account and your audience. Always follow Patreon's community guidelines and local laws, and keep your page description clear so potential patrons understand what to expect.